Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Brandy, and I am the owner and creator of Boundless Treasures Boutique. And today we are going to be making this super simple snow globe tumbler. As always, I will make sure that I link everything I've used in the description box below. That way you guys can find everything easily should you choose to make a creation of your own. But with that, please be sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Let's jump right in. So I am using this 12-ounce glass can from Stainless Steel Depot, and we are going to be using this super cute UV DTF unicorn decal that I found. Now, if you haven't used decals before, super important to remember that 1, you don't have to seal them, but 2, once they're placed, that's it. They cannot be moved. That's where they're living. So you can see here that I'm just measuring out where I want this to go, and then I'm going to place it, varnish it down, and then remove the carrier sheet from the top. And it is as simple as that, friends. Super easy peasy. And then we are ready to move on to our next step, which is the snow globe part. This is the funnest part. So I'm going to use some painter's tape just so that I can keep this glitter all in one place and not make a huge mess, which to be fair, I did anyways because I knocked over my glitter. The solution I'm using for my snow globe is my preferred solution. It is from Two Moms Craft Shack, and it is their original snow globe solution, but you can use the solution of your choice. Adhesive Apothecary has a really great one. Some people love using distilled water and glycerin, or even distilled water and liquid magic Elmer's glue, the clear kind. So whatever solution you prefer, use that. Then we are going to literally alternate back and forth between the solution and the glitter. Now, the glitter I'm using is Blessed from PDB. It is so beautiful. If you do not have this purple in your collection, you need to. It is so incredibly pretty. And when I used it, this is my first time using it, I came up with so many different project ideas, and I can't wait to use this more. It is gorgeous. Anywho, let's move right along. Once everything is filled the way you want it, you have all the glitter you want. What I do is I go in and I overfill so that the solution flows above the hole, so it's on the outside. And then I'm going to use this nifty syringe that has this little hook needle, and we're going to try and remove as many air bubbles as possible. Now, this I got from a company that I'm not sure is in business anymore, but I will be sure to find one and link it that is the same as what I'm using. Once you've got as many or as much of those bubbles removed as you can, go ahead and plug your snow globe back up. Some people like to seal theirs. I don't. I have never had a problem not sealing them. But some people seal theirs with UV resin, so you do you, and whatever you prefer. Now we're going to move on to the top. I'm using this lid holder from Cowbell Customs, as well as an insert that I'm going to use in the straw hole from Cowbell Customs. And that's going to make sure we don't get anything in there that we're going to have to clean up later. You're going to base paint your lid. I'm using lavender from chalk paint from Waverly. I just grabbed it at Walmart. Nothing special there. And here I am mixing my UV resin and our Blessed glitter, but we're going to show you the application here momentarily. But it's pretty much like icing a cookie, is the best way to describe it. But before I do that, I am going to jump in to rhinestoning my lid. Now, the rhinestones I'm using here, I got from Bling Dispensary, and they're super, super pretty. I'll be sure to link them below. But also, friends, if you have not tried Flynn Sisters Supply Shop Rhinestones, do yourself a favor, grab yourself a mix, and just give it a whirl. The ones that are the closest in color to what I'm using here are her purple velvet rhinestones. They're so gorgeous, and her rhinestones have a shine unlike anything I have ever seen. They're beautiful. But you're just going to want to use your adhesive of choice. Mine is E6000. Some people like Liquid Fusion. Some people like Gym Tack. Some use UV resin. Use whichever adhesive you prefer. And you're just going to apply your rhinestones all around that outer edge. Let it dry before, of course, you wash it or anything of that nature. Just be sure you follow the directions. So for E6000, the wait time is 24 hours before you wash it or anything of that nature. Now, once you are done applying your rhinestones, it is time to glitter that top. So learn from me. Do not cure this with the pink stopper in the lid. You are seeing a do-over because the first one I did, I cured the pink stopper in my lid. So I had to literally throw away the entire lid. But all you're going to do is ice your lid, just like you would a cookie. Once you have cured, you're going to lightly sand again. Go in with just clear UV. Many people call this doming. And this is just going to allow for a smooth finish. Now, if you don't have a UV light, take this bad boy outside and let the sun do its job. It will cure it. If it's a cloudy day and you don't have a UV light, maybe wait for another day to do the lid. But what you're going to do is you are literally going to cure this until it is nice and smooth. And you guys, that is it. Once you have got your lid have cured, no fear. We're done. Literally one day project. A little more. This took no time at all. It was so much fun, and it was so easy to do. And seriously, I could not have been more happy with how, and that's it. Like, that is literally all you have to do. I would love it. Easy peasy. And look at how stinking cute this turned out. If you guys decide, oh my goodness, like I can't. Or it's so adorable. Inspired you in some way, please. But with that, friends, I hope you enjoyed this art. I would love tutorial to see and if it inspired you, or if you're going to make you are doing. But please tag me in what you make. I would love to see your creation. Look at it. And you guys, that is enough out of me. That's it. One day. That's all this took. Take a moment to thank each and every one of you guys for your support, for liking, for subscribing. Please don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. You can join my free Facebook group. We are continuing to grow and continuing to build. But with all of that, friends, until next time, bye now.